Siri shortcuts are amazing. There's a lot of stuff you can do with them, but they're really complicated to set up. Or are they? What if I were to tell you that there were a really simple way to install some already made Siri shortcuts, which honestly are super useful, and some of them can even save you in some pretty weird situations. What is up guys, I'm Benji from BenObi Tech and welcome back to another video. So I've been using Siri shortcuts quite a lot in the past few months and I've been messing about with it. Here are 10 of the best Siri shortcuts you can get right now. The first Siri shortcut I'm going to share here is called Grabstagram. Now what Grabstagram does is you can copy a link of any Instagram post on Instagram as long as it's a photo. Head over to Siri Shortcuts, tap on the shortcut, and it will actually save the image that is on that Instagram post. So gone are the days where you had to screenshot the Instagram post and crop it. You can now save it as an image without having to do any cropping or anything with Grabstagram. The second Siri shortcut here is called Social Media Downloader, and you can actually download most social media videos. So videos from Twitter, you can download videos from YouTube, from Instagram, a bunch of other places. And all you do, similar to Grabstagram, is you copy the link of that video, you go into the Siri Shortcuts app, tap on the social media downloader, and it'll automatically download that video or photo. Yes, it works with photos as well. The third Siri shortcut here is called Apple Frames. Now, have you been in that situation where you've taken a screenshot on your phone or your Apple Watch or even your iPad and you want to have the iPad or the iPhone's frame? Well, now you can do that very easily. All you do is you take a screenshot, tap on Apple Frames, select the screenshot you just took, and it'll save it within your device's frame. Whether you have an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 7 or even an iPod Touch 6, it will actually fit it within that frame. It also works with Apple Watch, as I said, which I think is definitely really cool, especially for content creators like me. The fourth Siri shortcut is a lifesaver when it comes to charging your phone. So imagine you're about to go out for dinner or something and you have half an hour and you need to quickly charge your phone. Now yes, you can plug it in using fast charging, but still, because you receive notifications, you receive phone calls and a bunch of other stuff on your phone, you can use this Siri shortcut called Activate Fast Charging. Basically what you do is you tap on Activate Fast Charging and it will actually turn on low power mode, it will turn on airplane mode, it'll turn on and turn off a bunch of features so then your phone actually charges faster. The fifth Siri shortcut here on the list is called Share Wi-Fi. Have you ever been in that situation where you've got a friend who has an Android phone or who has an iPhone that doesn't have, I think it's iOS 11 with that share password thingy? With this Siri shortcut, you can simply share the Wi-Fi using a QR code. So what you do is if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, you just tap on Share Wi-Fi and it'll actually show a QR code which you can scan and it will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network without having to share the password or anything. The sixth Siri shortcut on my list here is called Water Eject. Have you ever been in that situation where your phone has gotten wet and water is inside the speakers, but you can't really get the water out of the speakers because you can only do so much? Well, with Water Eject, it will actually play a high frequency sound, which will actually eject the water from your speakers. Kind of like what you could do on the Apple Watch, but on the iPhone. The seventh Siri shortcut on my list is called Playlist Converter. Maybe you're someone who uses Spotify or you have a friend who has a really awesome Spotify playlist, but of course you have Apple Music. You're one of those people who uses Apple Music because they're in the Apple ecosystem, but you still want to listen to your friend's Spotify playlist. What if I were to tell you that you can have any Spotify playlist, or at least most Spotify playlists, transferred automatically to Apple Music? All you simply do is you go into Spotify, you go into the playlist you want to add to Apple Music, you just copy the link, go into Siri Shortcuts, tap on the Playlist Converter, paste the link in there, and it will automatically convert that Spotify playlist into an Apple Music playlist, and it'll add it to your Apple Music library without you having to lift a finger. The eighth Siri shortcut on my list actually is about health. What this does is when you, for example, drink a glass of water and you want to log it in the Apple Health app, instead of going to the Apple Health app, selecting the water thing and all that kind of stuff, you can easily do all that by simply using Siri Shortcuts. You can even log weights, you can log when you had a nap, you can log a push-up or push-ups, and all you do is you simply tap on, for example, water, and you select which drink you drank. Let's say I drank a glass of juice. You can add how much the amount was and it'll automatically show up within your health app. The ninth Siri shortcut here is called theater mode. Have you ever been to the cinema and your phone has either rang or you have people looking at you weirdly because you've got your phone on full brightness and it's blasting in your face and it's distracting other people around you. Yeah, kind of embarrassing, right? Well, with the theater mode Siri shortcut, all you simply do is when you're in the theater or when you're at the cinema, you just tap on the Siri shortcut and you say that you're at the movies, and it'll actually lower the brightness of your phone and it turns some functions on and some off, so then you don't distract the person sitting next to you or behind you, and you can still be on Facebook or on Twitter or whatever without distracting anybody. And of course, if you're leaving the theater, all you do is you tap on the theater mode again and you tap on leaving, and it'll set everything back to normal. And now for the final Siri shortcut on my list. Number 10 is called I need gas. Have you ever been in that situation where you've been driving your car, you're almost home, or you're like 30 minutes from home or something, and you're running out of petrol or gas? Well, never fear, because I need gas is here. That was really cheesy. Anyway, this Siri shortcut basically gives you all of the nearest gas or petrol stations, whatever you want to call them, whenever you tap on the Siri shortcut. It's definitely a lifesaver if you're in that sticky situation and you have no idea where to get petrol. So that about does it. Those were 10 of my favorite Siri shortcuts. If you guys want to install any of them, all of the links will be down in the description below. All you simply do is you tap on the link, it'll take you to, I think, Safari, and then you just add it to Siri shortcuts. It's pretty simple, couple taps here and there, and you're good, and you can start using the Siri shortcut, and you can even edit it if you wanted to. So if one of the Siri shortcuts doesn't fit your needs exactly, you can kind of tweak it if you know what you're doing, and you can make it even more useful. Let me know what your guys' favorite Siri shortcut is. If it wasn't on my list, then link it down below, and I might do another video soon about some other 10 Siri shortcuts that you should download. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, let me know by hitting the like button down below. Of course, if you're new, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Benji from BenObi Tech. I'll catch you guys in the very next video.